With all the attention being directed at Utah's record low snowpack, I don't think anyone saw this coming. After months of localized heavy rainfall in the southwest Utah mountains, Gunlock Reservoir has surged back an astonishing 75 feet in just 4 months' time. Not only has the reservoir completely recovered, but it is now threatening to push over the emergency spillway to Gunlock Falls. Yep, you heard me right. There's a chance we could see Gunlock Falls flow this spring, 2026. Current water levels sit at 104%, and water typically flows over the spillway banks at 105%. Rain gauges in the Pine Valley and Bull Valley Mountains that contribute to Gunlock picked up 13 to 15 inches of rainfall from October through January, with most of that falling in the month of December alone. With 2 to 3 more months of active weather still possible, we might be able to push this thing over the edge for the 9th time in the last 30 years.